Hello class. Today we are going to discuss Year 3, Unit 4, Part 1. You will need your workbook, page 26, 27, and 28. So let's start. Now, Unit 4 is Year in, Year out. Activity number 1, sing a song, listen and number 1 to 4. So I will play the audio, listen and number.
Module 4 Workbook Year in, Year out. Sing a song. Activity 1 Listen and number 1 to 4. 1.
In this season, it's always cold and it snows. I always make a snowman in this season, but I don't like it very much.
2.
This is my favourite season. It's warm, but it isn't always sunny. I always ride my bike in the park and there are flowers everywhere.
3.
I don't like this season. It's the season I start school. It's windy and sometimes it rains.
4.
This is my favourite season. I always go to the beach and swim. It's very hot.
Now, what season do you think it is? I am going to play the audio again, and this time, think and number.
Module 4 Workbook Year in, Year out. Sing a song. Activity 1 Listen and number 1 to 4. 1.
In this season, it's always cold and it snows. I always make a snowman in this season, but I don't like it very much.
So this should be
2.
winter.
This is my favourite season. It's warm, but it isn't always sunny. I always ride my bike in the park and there are flowers everywhere.
Flowers everywhere.
3.
I don't like this season. It's the season I start school. It's windy and sometimes it rains.
4.
This is my favourite season. I always go to the beach and swim. It's very hot.
So there you have the answers. The first one said that it snows and they make a snowman. So it should be winter. The second one said that it is warm but it isn't always sunny and there are flowers everywhere. So it should be spring. The third one said it is windy and sometimes it rains. So that would be autumn. The last one was that it was sunny. So this is summer. Now, activity number 2, unscramble and write. I hope you have already tried doing this on your own, and if you haven't, please pause this video to do it. Now, I am going to discuss the answers. So the first one, if you look at the background, out the window, there is a sun high up. And the letters they gave you are R, I, G, S, P, N. So the only thing this could be is spring. S, P, R, I, N, G. Spring. The second one, out the window, it looks quite dark and there are leaves falling everywhere. So this should be autumn. Can you spell autumn with the letters given? A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. Number 3, if you look out the window, it's snowing. And this is winter. Winter is spelled W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Let's continue to the next page. Now, for activity number 3, what's your favorite season? Draw and write about this season. There are 4 seasons for you to choose from. So I'm going to give one example for each season. You can choose a different answer, but this is just for you to know what else you can write. So please look at this picture. What do you think this season is? This is winter. So if you drew a snowman and snow, you can write, my favorite season is winter. I always make a snowman in winter. So this is an example for what you could write if you wanted to choose winter as your favorite season. Another example would be, now what do you think they are doing? What season is this? This is autumn. So you could write, my favorite season is autumn. I always collect fallen leaves in autumn. Now this is an example for what you could write if your favorite season is autumn. You could also write walking in the rain or playing with leaves. Now, what season is this? It's summer. So, if you wanted to write about summer, you could write like this. My favorite season is summer. I always go sailing in summer. You could also write other things. For example, I always go to the beach in summer. I always go swimming in summer. Or I always go parasailing in summer. There are many activities for you to choose to do in summer. And lastly, what season is this? Where flowers bloom. This is spring. So if your favorite season is spring, you could write like this. My favorite season is spring. I always pick flowers in spring. You could also choose many other activities. For example, I always go cycling in spring. I always go to the park in spring. I always play with flowers in spring. There are many activities for you to choose from too. Now, for the next page, Activity 1, read and write the days of the week. And for Activity 2, look and complete the months. If you have not done this yet, please pause this video to complete it first. Now, I did not bother putting the second part in animation because I hope that you have already compared this to your textbook and completed it. For the first activity, please read the text. On Tuesday afternoon, I have karate after school. On Wednesday, I go to school in the morning and then I dance. On Thursday afternoon, I play computer games with my brother. On Saturday morning, I play the guitar. On Sunday night, I always go to the cinema with my friends. Now, if you read the title carefully, you are supposed to fill in the blanks with the days of the week, not the activities. So let's start from Tuesday. On Tuesday afternoon, I have karate after school. Which picture shows that she is doing karate? It is number 4. So in number 4, you can write Tuesday. Now let's continue. On Wednesday, I go to school in the morning and then I dance. In which picture is she dancing? It is picture number 2. So in picture number 2, you can fill in the blank with Wednesday. Make sure your spelling is correct, and for days of the week, we need to write with capital. Now let's continue. On Thursday afternoon, I play computer games with my brother. Now where is she playing computer games? It is picture number 5. So in the blank for picture number 5, you should write Thursday. Next, on Saturday morning, I play the guitar. So the only one it could be is number 1. And last, on Sunday night, I always go to the cinema with my friends. Now, there's only one left, and they even wrote the word sinner for you. If you look carefully in the background of the picture, you will see C-I-N-E. So the correct answer for this would be Sunday. For activity 2, look and complete the months. As you can see, this activity requires you to fill in the blanks with the missing letters. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. You will notice that you should write the first letter in capitals. For days of the week and months of the year, you need to start out with a capital letter. Activity 3. Read and write. For this part, the colored blanks are for you to choose your own answers. So for example, the question for number 1 says, what's your favorite day? You should answer, my favorite day is... Now in that orange blank, you should fill it in with any day you like. And remember your full stop. For the second question, what do you do on that day? So, if you wrote, my favorite day is Monday, you should answer, what do you do on Monday? For example, why do you like it? I play football on Monday. It should be the same day as your favorite day. Number 3. When's your birthday? My birthday is on... For this part, you will need to write a date and the month. So for example, if my birthday is on 1st of June, you should write my birthday is on, you can write a 1 ST and June with a capital J. Number 4. Do you have a party on your birthday? You can answer this with yes, I do, or no, I don't. Now, I will show you an example of how you could answer this. So, these are my examples for this question. What's your favorite day? My favorite day is Friday. What do you do on that day? I play computer games on Friday. Number 3. When's your birthday? My birthday is on 20th September. Now you will notice how I wrote TH behind 20. These are ordinal numbers. If you wrote 1, then it will be first, so 1 ST. If it is second, it should be 2 ND. If it's third, you should write 3 RD. These are under the ordinal numbers that I showed you earlier. Number 4. Do you have a party on your birthday? Since I do, I wrote yes, comma, I do, full stop. Be careful with your punctuation on this page. Now, next, we are going to follow the lines and answer. They have given us 4 choices: sailing, swimming, skiing, and windsurfing. The first one has been done for you. Number 1. What does Jimmy do in December? He goes windsurfing. Number 2. What do Charlie and Emma do in July? They go swimming. Number 3. What does Mia do in January? She goes skiing. Number 4. What do Jerry and Dave do in April? They go sailing. Now these are the answers for this page. Next, what's the weather like today? Read and match. Now, you will notice they give you 5 pictures to show the weather. So A means it's raining. B, what is happening in B? B means it's snowing. C means that the weather is cloudy. D means that it is windy. E shows a thermometer and it is hot. F stands for sunny weather. And G means it's cold. Now, let's read the text and fill in the boxes with the correct letters. So, let's read. Today, it's very cold in Toronto and New York City. It's still snowing in Toronto. In New York City, it's sunny, but there's snow everywhere. In Los Angeles, it's raining again. Mexico City is warm but cloudy. It's very windy in Ancon. A good day for windsurfing. Not much wind in Santiago. It's very hot and sunny there today. Now this time, let's read the text again and fill in the blanks with the correct letters. So, today it's very cold in Toronto and New York City. Which letter shows that it is cold? The correct answer should be G. So please look at the map on the left and choose the correct answers. Where is Toronto? It is number 1. So in the first box, fill it with G. Now what's the other city? It's New York City. So you should also put a G in the first box of number 3. It's still snowing in Toronto. Now, which one is Toronto again? It's number 1. So fill in that blank with it's snowing. So which letter is it? It's B. So number 1, G for cold, B for snowing. Let's continue looking at the text. In New York City, it's sunny, but there's snow everywhere. So, sunny. Which letter shows that it's sunny? It's F. So let's fill in New York City, the second blank, with F. In Los Angeles, it's raining again. Now, which letter shows that it's raining? It's A. So let's look for Los Angeles. Is it 2, 4, 5, or 6? Los Angeles is at the top where it is 2. So let's fill in that blank with A to show that Los Angeles, it's raining. Now next we have Mexico City. Mexico City is warm but cloudy. Now there's no picture for warm, but which picture shows that it is cloudy? It's C. And where is Mexico City? It's number 4. So let's fill in that blank with C. It's very windy in Ancon. A good day for windsurfing. Now which picture is it windy? It's D. So let's look for Ancon. It is number 5. So let's fill it with D. Not much wind in Santiago. It's very hot and sunny there today. So first is hot. That's E. So let's fill it with E. And sunny. That would be F.